2 years 11 month एंड 18 डेज में बन के तैयार हुआ था। सबको पता है कि आज जो है 75वां 75th जो है कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन डे है, लेकिन हमारा संविधान जो है बन के तैयार हुआ था 26 नवंबर 1949, बट इम्प्लीमेंट किया गया था 26 जनवरी 1950। कोई स्टूडेंट बताएगा भी 2 मंथ्स का वेट क्यों किया गया? 26 जनवरी 1950 को ही हमारा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इम्प्लीमेंट क्यों हुआ? एनी स्टूडेंट्स?
Policies can be seen as form of discrimination against people who are not in reserved categories.
Also, OBC are minority, so in have reserved seats for make them equal as they are in minority.
If you are talking about minorities, according to Social Economy State Center by Population Research Center, about 35% of OBCs are in India. But 1.27% are Sikh communities in India. They are also in very low proportion. Then why they didn't get reservation?
It's not about the minority, it's about the reservation. The reservation can be given by the authentic way, in their ordinary way. But reservation is important in today's area. Everybody is not economically developed.
But the journals are also not developed in some
The
countries.
government has provided EWS categories.
Very good.
How do reservation affect in education of all reserved communities?
Reservation should not be based on caste. It should be based on economic condition. Reservation should be provide uplift the people from the poverty line. For those who don't have meal to eat, clothes to wear, and no home to live in.
But today's reservation system is based on caste. It is not based on the economic situation of the person.
Nothing is based on caste. You are studying in school, it's not based on caste. You are a student.
We can talk about many people who are in general category are not well developed, but they are not getting any type of reservation. We can take example of OBCs. They are well rich, but they are getting reservation benefits also.
That's why put our point that reservation is important, that should be provided in a basic manner and in basic condition, that government is doing their surveys about the economic strategy of every individual that people are living in India.
But is OBC, BC, ST, SC today's generation? It is a basic system. It is not.
In Indra Sabde Judgment 1992, the Supreme Court declared that the total reservation of 50% for SC and ST.
Article 330, 332 and 243 of Indian Constitution states that seats are reserved in House of Parliament, Legislative Assembly and in Panchayats for reserved for OBCs, STs and SCs.